Homeschool TV. Listen, speak, read, and write. A complete e-school project. Subscribe us and click on bell button for more videos. We focus on helping kids watch, listen, speak, read, and write effectively. Let us start. Unit number 2. Capital letters. Watch. Listen. And speak.
A. It's the capital letter A. B. It's the capital letter B. C. It's the capital letter C. D. It's the capital letter D. E. It's the capital letter E. F. It's the capital letter F. G. It's the capital letter G. H. It's the capital letter H. I. It's the capital letter I. J. It's the capital letter J. K. It's the capital letter K. L. It's the capital letter L. M. It's the capital letter M. N. It's the capital letter N. O. It's the capital letter O. P. It's the capital letter P. Q. It's the capital letter Q. R. It's the capital letter R. S. It's the capital letter S. T. It's the capital letter T. U. It's the capital letter U. V. It's the capital letter V. W. It's the capital letter W. X. It's the capital letter X. Y. It's the capital letter Y. Z. It's the capital letter Z.
Let us review the lesson. Now read the letters, one by one.
A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. These are the capital letters of ABC.
Homeschool TV. Listen, speak, read, and write. A complete e-school project. Subscribe us and click on bell button to get every new video. Join us, follow us, like, and share us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Google. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.